gals and guys, it's Christian Motion from MyMediaHelper.com, and I haven't done one of these in quite a while, probably over a month, and that's an analytical review of everything. And this time I'm just going to break it up. In this particular video, I'm going to look deeper into individual videos. So just let's start at 28 days, because I haven't done this, like I said, in probably over a month. And just to show you that things continue to increase as far as traffic and watch time and everything, just for the simple fact that, like I've indicated before, if you add content, you add valuable content, just things are just going to go up. It just mathematically makes sense, right? You add more videos and more videos to watch, and so on and so forth, and it keeps going and climbing. So that's the concept behind that, at least. Impressions down, impressions click rate a little bit up. Nothing to write home about. All right, and then this is the normal stuff we look at all the time. No revenue yet, can't do that yet. And then I'm just going to go to your typical 7 days. And then again, incredible, huge increase, but again, impressions up to the simple fact that more videos, more impressions. It just mathematically makes sense. Watch time is up, more videos, more watch time, and so on. You see a trend there. Anyways, this is really what I wanted to solely focus on this time. I'm not going to show you any social media analytics, just to the fact that there's nothing really going on there. I don't spend too much time on it, except just posting these videos on my social media. But see, this is something interesting. That's just the fact that, okay, this is Six Flags Darien Lake. This is an old video that I posted, and for some reason it's shot up in views in the past few days. Let's do 7. Let's go to 28 and see what happens here. All right, see, things will shift a little bit. I'm going to stick with 7 for now. So I just want to see what type of trend is going on with this typical video, or with this type of video. So I'm going to click on this. All right, so take a look at this. I have no idea what happened. 32 views on there, 12 views on there. So something happened March 21st. Who the hell knows? I couldn't even begin to guess why that sudden spike. Maybe someone saw it and shared it with friends. I'm not really sure. Maybe for whatever reason, it kept appearing. People were looking for Darien Lake, and it kept appearing for impressions. But this is all external. So, I mean, I can only guesstimate what's going on there. Old video that I put up of old vacation video I put up. So this unboxing, nothing surprising here. This has pretty much been trending for a long time. And it's pretty consistent. It's my top viewing video. I never knew that was going to happen, so unboxing videos seem to be pretty popular. This one I just posted. This is about dating apps. So let's take a look at this. So this is climbing very slowly, very steadily. So you can see the difference between the first one I showed you, the Darien Lake video, and this one. Darien Lake, just someone was watching it for those, people were watching it for those 2 days and then tanked again. And this one just seems to be going up a little bit at a time each day. All right, let's take a look at some other ones here. This one I just posted. So yeah, so it's building up a little bit at a time. These are the podcasts. So, yeah, I just posted that stuff. Let's see, tutorial, how your pricing table. Okay, so this is something it's been out there for a while. So for whatever reason, it's trending up a little bit at a time. All right, and then let's put in 28 days. Take a look at that. All right, then things are a little different here, and we'll go to unboxing again, see how that looks. So, the crash kind of went, but it's consistently growing. I don't know. Let's get something that's been on there a while. Civil War. Let's try this Oral B. See what that looks like. It's a little study. Not a big video that's watched. Hey, let's just for shits and giggles. Let's go 90 days out. 603 views. Let's see something I haven't hit yet. Let's go here. All right, and then just wow. Boop. All right, guys and guys, that's really all I wanted to show you is looking at the analytics after like a month and a half, as well as just kind of touching on these. I haven't really touched on individual videos and how that's done. And just for my own curiosity, I'm going to go out 365 days. So this is probably right where I started. I mean, absolutely, it's right when I started the channel. I mean, officially, I've had it always, but I've never done anything with it. So, okay here. Okay. So, and this is where I took a 2-week sabbatical. That was during the holidays and everything. And then I came back and did more videos. Now, in between this time, I think it was right around here, I think. I took another week or 2 off. So you can just see the difference. I mean, it's growing. I mean, it's not growing substantially, but it is growing. So I just keep building content, and I would advise you to build content, make it quality content that people want to see. And we'll just keep going up. Can't go down, right? Well, we could, but we're not going to. All right, guys and gals, I'm just babbling as normal. I had too much coffee as usual, and I'm going to end it here. And I'm going to ask you to subscribe. I'm going to ask you to share. I'm going to ask you to please like and hit the bell below for updates for the channel. And that is all for this time. I'm going to go make other awesome, spectacular videos. I don't know how awesome or spectacular they'll be, but I will make other videos. So I appreciate y'all, and I will catch you later. Bye.